Hi there, welcome to the channel. Here's some updated about upcoming smartphones. Let's get started. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, launched July 2025. Expected at Samsung's early July Galaxy Unpacked event. Key innovations: Z Fold 7 massive 8.2-inch main display, redesigned hinge for reduced crease, 200-megapixel primary camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and One UI 8 on Android 16. Z Flip 7, larger 4-inch external cover screen, slimmer bezels, homegrown Exynos 2500 chip on 3 nm, and upgraded durability. Number 2, Nothing Phone 3, launch date July 1st, 2025, global. Key innovations: flagship-grade Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, 6.7-inch TPO AMOLED display, 3000 nits peak with 120 Hz refresh, triple camera, 50-megapixel main plus unknown, selfie cam bumped to 32 megapixel. First ever 5-year Android updates plus 7-year security support. New dual-tone finish, textured buttons and removal of glyph LED interface. No 3. Google Pixel 10 series. Launch window: mid-August 2025. Key innovations: new Tensor G5 chip, 3 nanometers, up to 16 GB RAM. Android 16 with 7 years of OS security updates. Base model may finally include 3 telephoto lenses, advanced AI editing, and gimbal-like stabilization. Pro XL tipped to feature a huge 6.8-inch AMOLED panel, hitting 2700 nits of peak brightness. For them, let's have short comparison in July and August 2025. 3 exciting smartphones are making waves. First up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 bring major upgrades to foldables, with a sleeker hinge, larger cover screens, a 200-megapixel main camera, and powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2500 chips. Next, the Nothing Phone 3 launches on July 1st, featuring a stunning 6.77-inch LTPO display, a flagship Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip, and a clean new design with 5 years of Android updates. But this time without the glyph LED lights. And coming in August, the Google Pixel 10 series introduces the brand new Tensor G5 chip with a strong AI focus, triple telephoto cameras, and up to 7 years of software support. Whether you want futuristic foldables, long-term value, or cutting-edge AI, this summer's smartphone lineup has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.